Hey guys, let me turn this down. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a hot minute. I've been procrastinating. And yeah, really and truly that's all it is. I have 2 videos in my archive right now that I need to post, and I haven't posted yet because I haven't finished editing it. Why? Because I've been procrastinating. Anywho, it's a new video. Wagwan. What not deal with? What's up? What's popping? Wagwan. Different vibes and stuff like that. It's Father's Day weekend. I'm coming with you guys with some great content this weekend, hopefully, because I also work this weekend starting tonight. Today's Friday, so I work tonight, and I work all Saturday and Sunday too, but we have a lot of stuff planned. Not necessarily, what the hell is that? We have a lot of stuff planned for Father's Day weekend. We have a surprise for my dad this weekend. My sister and I came up with this great idea. We rent a boat for him for the weekend so he could go fishing. We're hoping he loves it. Everything is tying together. I'm in the final moments of getting everything planned and ready for tomorrow. So I booked the boat, was it yesterday? Yeah, I booked the boat yesterday, which was Thursday, and my mom and I kind of had to drive around to find a marine that had a opening slot that we could dock the boat for the night. You guys, we almost had to call this whole thing off just because we didn't have a place to dock the boat. So I was like, you know what? Over the phone is not working, so I decided to go in person. We drove around. Thank God we went to this one place that's really close to home, so we're not losing a lot of time. And yeah, she was willing to like let us use it for the one night just to dock the boat the Saturday, and then it would be gone. So I'm happy and coming together. Ooh. I'm so excited. I really hope he likes it. But yeah, I had to do this intro today because he's gonna be home tomorrow. He doesn't know. My mom also decided to call his friends to see if his friends could come up for it, because his friends are also fathers, and we decided we want to have all the dads come up and celebrate Father's Day on the boat. Might as well. So fingers crossed they're able to make it. And yeah, we'll see what's popping. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully the boat gets dropped off a bit early in the morning. There's not like a specific time. They're gonna call me when they're on their way, and then I'll meet them there. So I still also have to get him to sign the waiver for it. So he doesn't know anything about it. Like I said, it was a surprise. It is a surprise. He doesn't know, but he has like documents that he has to sign, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get him to sign these documents. So the waiver has to be signed, and I must have to go get him out of the house tomorrow morning when they're bringing the boat, because he's the one that's going to be driving it. So he's going to have to be there to have like the instructions and stuff on how to operate the boat. Yeah. I'm currently a Canadian Tire because I need to buy brakes for my car. I ain't complaining though. It's for a good reason. I ain't complaining. I'm happy. You know, we're living in answered prayers this year, and more to come. Amen. So let us go get this brake pad. I probably won't film a lot today, and you guys will see all the content tomorrow. But like I said, I just wanted to do the intro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. I know. I am slacking, and I'm so sorry. I won't do it no more. I really just, you guys, procrastination and professionalism plagues my mind. It really plagues my mind so bad. Like, I really have to like get out of that mindset in order for me to post videos. Like I said, the 2 videos that I have, they're from like a couple weeks back, and now I don't want to post them because I'm like, I don't really like to post old videos. That's my problem. And then again I'm like, yo, who gives a damn? Like, people just want to see the things, you know what I mean? I'm in my mind. I need to really get out of my mind. But yeah, so that's what's happening. Stay tuned, keep watching. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe, like I said, and we're gonna go and get this thing done. Let's go buy this brake pads. Disc. They're not pads, they're disc. Brake disc. Let me search it up before I go in. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. I'm good. How are you? Good. Happy early Father's Day. A boat.
Tour?
For you. Guys.
It's just to show like stuff like this is already happening.
Ben.
Okay.
How do you feel about your surprise?
Great. We have to get a boat.
Now you have to get a boat. Well, you get to experience it
Yeah.
and see how it goes. Oh. What are you eating about? Oh, look at that dead fish. You guys are on the lake. Beautiful sunny day out. The only person you're missing is Tia. This was obviously a good idea. I gotta hold you. Huh? Say hi. No, no, no. The next thing you go drop my phone. Say cheese. Yeah, we're recording. Your bag is right here. Dad's bag is right here. So it's currently almost 3 o'clock and we're just taking the boat out. They're gonna go fishing for a little bit and then they're gonna drop me back so I can go to work tonight. But yeah, I think this was a good surprise and a good idea. Shout out to Tia. She's the one who really put us on. And yeah, so we're gonna enjoy this water and the boat and fishing and then get back in with you guys. Bye. Are you okay? This guy. You stuff in your face. Look at you. Love you. like I look darker already. Anywho, I am back home. The fam jam is still on the boat along with Jackson, which I screwed up really bad. I forgot his sippy cup. So hopefully he's drinking his shore, but he was putting up a fight to drink that shore out of that straw, child. So I'm fingers crossed he's drinking the shore and he's sleeping. But yeah, so my dad, my brother, my mom, and my dad's best friend, which I call him Uncle Danny, is also here. Uncle Danny just came down for another part of his surprise. So they're back, so they're back at the boat and they're fishing right now. They're gonna probably come back in like in the next hour or two, but I have to head to work, so I left them with the boat. They know what to do, they know where to park and all these kind of fun stuff, and I'm about to head to work. The vlog continues tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually Father's Day, so he also has like another little surprise tomorrow too, so stay tuned for that. Girl, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I drop bangs. But when you have a father like mine, you definitely want to show him how much you appreciate him and all that he does for his family. He's definitely a leadership man, and he's able to, you know, like provide for us, and anything, especially my brother, anything my brother wants, my brother gets. He ain't second guessing it. You ain't got to double ask nothing. Anything that boy say he wants, my dad always comes through. So just by that, let me tell you, he spoiled his kids very well. So I thought it was only right, and my sister and I thought it was only right that we spoiled him too for the first time ever. I really hope he enjoys this boat. I not even hope, he is enjoying this boat, because now he's saying that it's pushing him to actually get his boat. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe in the future we'll have our own boat so that we can go out into the water. But yeah, I'm happy how all of this turned out. It was somewhat like, not necessarily last minute, like we've been thinking about it forever, or not ever, but a couple weeks. But everything came together within 2 days. So I'm happy. I'm super happy, super happy, super thankful to the company that we are renting this boat from. They're so friendly, so kind. I'm obviously gonna tag them into all my social media posts, especially on the Instagrams. But yeah, so they're a really good company to deal business with, and they're very friendly. Everything went smoothly. I called them like 4 or 5 times, and not one time have they ever gotten annoyed with me. They were more than welcome to answer my questions, more than welcome to change the invoice, and you know, links went out and all these kind of stuff. So I'm just very thankful that they have an understanding of, you know, we wanted to surprise him. They allowed me to like send the last important documentation that we needed this morning, like 5 minutes before drop off. I kid you not. And because it was my dad had to sign it, but we didn't want him to sign it too early and figure out that we're doing something. So I kind of explained it, and they were like, girl, let that man sign it. We could be there with the boat. He just has to sign it, and then we're fine. So I'm happy that they were able to work with us. And yeah, same thing with the dock. Oh my gosh, to dock that boat, we called everywhere. Everyone was telling us that they're full, I went in person, talked to the owner. She was like, you know what, for one night, girl, I got you. And shout out to them too. Obviously, I'll shout them out. We ain't gotta pay nothing on it. We ain't gotta pay for that docking. The lady's husband, which I believe he's also the owner, he was like, it's Father's Day, enjoy it, man, you know. And we didn't have to pay, so I am okay with that. Thank God, yo. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna get ready for work before it's too late. I didn't really get to sleep much, so fingers crossed that tonight goes a lot easier. Go to work, y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, the boat gets collected tomorrow, but we don't know what time yet. We'll just get a call saying, hey girl, you ready to give us back this boat, or do you want to keep it? But no, yeah, so he still has another full day to do fishing tomorrow. I'd still work tomorrow, Evelyn, but I probably won't go out on the boat tomorrow. We'll see. I did want to fish. I haven't been fishing in forever. That's something that from my childhood, I remember myself, my dad, and Uncle Danny used to do every Saturday morning, was to go fishing. And I used to go fishing with them. So, yeah. But it is what it is. I'm happy he's enjoying himself. And, yeah. Enough of me babbling. Bye, y'all. I gotta go get ready for work. Goodbye. You guys got the worms for the fishing. You don't want to see them, Papa? You guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. Today's actually Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Stepdad, biological dad, grandpa dads, you know, everybody. We are about to head out to the boat. It's currently almost 12 o'clock. Yeah. And then we're going to complete our last day on the boat today. Where's Tia? This is what I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
Should I
Does it have it in there?
have what in there?
The little rope.
I don't know. I haven't pulled it out yet.
What do you need? You need like a pump?
Well, we're going to need a pump, but I was thinking we're going to need a rope to tie it to the boat.
Oh, what kind of pump?
I don't know. We gotta open it up.
In my room too. That's
Come open it up here.
I know you can come and get my buff stuff in the picture.
Sir, ain't nobody looking at you. Please.
Everybody looking at me.
Don't. Is there not another way?
What's your name?
Oh. The bottom part. Ah.
Oh,
Or is it actually glued down too?
that's
It's
cool.
down. Okay, whatever. Okay, so you guys, I bought this thingy for the boat and obviously for the pool too. When we're on our pool day, we could put it in the pool and use it. Look at Tia. This girl, the bag is basically almost your height. Sorry. But yeah, so that's what's up. We're about to head off to... Is that Dad's phone? Okay, where was I, you guys? I feel like I'm talking in gibberish. But yeah, so we're heading to the boat. We have that seat thing. Tia has her pedal boat. I got work tonight. Let's see. And yeah, we're about to do a little bit of fun day before we say ta-ta to the boat. Jax, hurry up. There's a lot of mosquito over there, boy.
The truck?
I guess so. Yeah. So, it's all fun in the hood. You gonna put Jackson on the pedal boat?
Yeah.
You gonna actually watch him on there?
Yeah, he's gonna cry. Maybe
Maybe
throw him in the
not.
water.
Maybe. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna cry.
He has his life jacket on, so.
Yeah, he will. Anyways, I'll catch you guys when we're at the boat. Bye.
What? What?
What?
Oh,
Oh.
nothing happened.
Yeah, so it might be 22nd.
We got
And next one
Chips
is
and
July
slushy.
12th or July 13th.
Why are you
July
excited?
26th or July 27th. And the playoffs.
We got Timmy's. You guys can't even see. My camera is so blurry.
Oh, the Timmy line is actually short, surprisingly. Wow. Here we go. This guy.
When's your game? You have a game on Saturday?
Yep.
I'll be there.
It's in London.
It's in what?
London.
You're going to London?
Yep.
Okay. Oh.
You have to tell him. You take a video, mommy.
Mama,
Are you having a good time? Can you say cheese for the camera? Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Guys, we came to the other side of the lake. It's pretty nice down here. All these houses are so gorgeous. We've just been sitting and enjoying the drive. Tia finally blew up her paddle boat. So she's gonna So she's gonna be going on that once we find a spot to fish and swim. So yeah. We've just been sitting, enjoying the sceneries. Y'all see the house back there? They are so gorgeous. No, Papa, you cannot go up there. You gotta sit back here and wait. You gotta wait until the boat stops moving. But like, yeah, I've been sleeping too. Like, every now and then I kind of doze off.
Papa.
No, you can't go to Pop Pop either. I kind of just doze off because I'm tired. Why?
Why?
Yeah, why? It's just my nose ring. This. That's mommy's nose ring. There. Jack Jack, it won't bite you. It won't bite you. He's blind. Touch it. He won't bite you. You don't want to touch the worm? You touch it? Don't touch it. Look, mommy gonna put one in her hand. Look, you don't have to be scared. See a big guy. Come look at mommy's hand. See? They big. You know they poop in your hand if you hold them too long. Oh, here. Oopsie daisies. I'm just trying to put him back down in the dirt, that's all. Just trying to go back down into the dirt. I can't tell when last I've done this. Come here.
Better not drop
Are we
it.
keeping it?
Yeah, we are. So I say you better not drop it.
Well, then you probably want to finish taking it off.
I don't even think I could take that off, to be honest. I haven't taken one off. Oh, that's cheating.
The hook, just try to take out the hook. I'm holding it. Probably should move it so up close in person.
Yeah, you coming?